Good day, my name is Amos of Tenkebe Forex, and today is 24th of 1st, 2024. Just a quick video on a trade, currency paired money, one of the currency paired monitor. The setup is, forming right now, but this may still take a couple of hours to finally give us an entry level. But this is what I look for when I spot this in a pair. I will start drawing my lines, and I'm waiting for executing on 15 minutes. It should give me an entry. If not, if it fails, I will move on. So let me share my screen so that we dive into it. Okay, as you can see my screen right now, this is Euro-dollar 4-hour time frame at the top here, and this is Euro-dollar 15-minute time frame at the right side. So what am I looking at in the trade? Once I spot movement like this, once you see movement like this in this form, and then a market stall, you see, market came down this way and it went to the range, as we know. This is the range. Market break through the bottom level, and when it return to the resistance, it break back inside. So once it breaks inside, it's got momentum. As you can see, you have full momentum. This is for 4 hours, guys. This is for 4 hours time frame. You break back into this level with a full momentum. So as it back into this area with the full momentum, you can see the market break the top level of that range. The top level of the range, violated, it break up, and now it break back inside. It's not what I'm looking for here, but it's just showed to me that it's got a momentum, that this market possibility is going to continue upward. So what I'm looking for right now is one part of it has formed. One of them is formed because the market now move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it pulled back here. So right here now, I'm going to put my rectangle box right here. Right. What I'm expecting here now is for this red that is forming right now, this red, I want it to close back up as green, and new one open overnight and return back to this rectangle box, right? So once I see this one, maybe in the morning or Asian section, then I will now concentrate on my 15 minutes. So that's where I will concentrate on my 15 minutes, and I will be looking for same pattern as going up here. I want to see this type of pattern on 15 minutes the way it's doing right now. So I will be looking for area like this. Right, let me clear that up for you quickly. So I'll be looking for an area such as this, where the market will return to and start bouncing off the area. So there I will be looking for double bottom, triple bottom, does not matter. I believe this one may form in overnight. So let me put my rectangle box to show you what I really mean, what I'll be expecting. So I'll be expecting here on the 4 hours, I will want this, I'll put my box like this, and I will duplicate this. I'll put it there. Right, I just delete that one. So I'll be waiting to see double bottom, proper bottom. What I'll be doing here is to move this, adjust this rectangle box and leave it there and just wait for it, because I'll be looking for it. I want it to come back to this area, bounce off and bouncing off and bouncing off. This could be 7 o'clock in the morning. It could be 7 in the morning. It could be 5 in the morning. I'm not sure when it's going to happen. So I'll be waiting here patiently to see nice double bottom, and I will take my trade. And hopefully, before the market returns to this clean area, you will have got a trade, you will have got an entry, and you'll be out. Stop loss will be somewhere here. The target will be somewhere here. So I don't know how much you are looking for in the pip wipes. I look to maybe 1:1 or 1:1.1 ratio to whatever my stop loss will be. So I said, let me just quickly show you this. If I'm able to take a trade on this pair, then I will update you. Thank you for watching again. Bye.